In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link into an image with Mailchimp, a process that should take about 5 minutes. Let's dive into it. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to effortlessly make your images interactive, directing your email recipients exactly where you want them to go. The first step is to log into your Mailchimp account and open the campaign you're currently working on. Make sure you're at the stage where you are editing your email content and have a clear idea of where you'd like to insert the image with the link. This will provide a seamless experience for your recipients and ensure they land on the intended page when clicking the image. Once you have your campaign open, you'll start by using an image within a text block. You might wonder why a text block and not an image block. By using a text block, you can insert your image and surround it with text, allowing for more flexibility in your email layout. It also helps in placing multiple interactive elements in context within your email body. If you've already added an image inside a text block, great. If not, don't worry. Simply go ahead and add an image directly inside your text block. This will be our starting point for making the image clickable. Next, you'll need to highlight the image. Click directly on the image within your text block to select it. You'll notice a toolbar appearing full of tools designed to edit and enhance your email content. Keep an eye here, as this is where the magic happens. Now look for the link icon on the toolbar. This icon usually resembles a small chain or link and is your gateway to hyperlinking the image. Clicking it opens up a dialog box where you can enter the URL. Make sure to carefully enter the web address you wish your image to link to. Double check for typos and ensure it's a functioning link, as this simple step ensures your recipients are directed to the right place and you avoid any unnecessary confusion. After entering the URL, the last step is to save your changes. Look for the save button at the bottom of the dialog box and click it to secure your work. Saving ensures that your link is embedded within the image and ready to use in your campaign. Now, whenever recipients click on the image in your email, they will be seamlessly taken to the designated link. It's as simple as that. Congratulations, you've just successfully inserted a link into an image using Mailchimp. By making your images interactive, you enhance user engagement and can drive more traffic to your desired web pages. Practice this skill a few times and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in and happy campaigning.